Okay, dear students, in this session we are going to study about the process of recruitment. Here, process of recruitment means the various activities which are to be followed in the recruitment process. In the previous session, we studied about various um, definitions relating to recruitment, objectives of recruitment, etc. I am Sudarshan P, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government First Grade College, Beltangadi. Here before you to present the topic Process of Recruitment under Unit 3, Session 3, Process of Recruitment. There are several steps that are involved in the process of recruitment. It has the following steps. Under the step 1, recruitment planning. The recruitment process begins with the planning wherein the vacant positions are analyzed and a detailed job draft is prepared. So we have to make a plan on recruitment about the various vacant positions and a detailed job draft is to be prepared. It includes qualification of prospective employees, experiences needed, job specification, etc. This gives you some base for the next step, that is step 2, strategy development. We have to develop a strategy or ಕಾರ್ಯತಂತ್ರ for recruitment ಅಥವಾ ನೇಮಕಾತಿ ಕಾರ್ಯತಂತ್ರವನ್ನು ರೂಪಿಸಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. Strategy is prepared for hiring the resources. After completing the preparation of job description, job specification, the next step is to decide which strategy that we have to adapt to recruit the potential candidates for the organization. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯತಂತ್ರವನ್ನು ರೂಪಿಸಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಕಾರ್ಯತಂತ್ರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಥವಾ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್. While preparing the recruitment strategy, the human resource team need to consider following points. ಯಾವಾಗ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೋ ಆಗ ಈ ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಅಂಶಗಳನ್ನು ಪರಿಗಣಿಸಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. Under that point A, make or buy, which means the firm decides either to select less skilled employees and invest amount on their training and development program or to hire skilled professionals. ಅಂದ ನಾವು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅರ್ಹತೆ ಉಳ್ಳವರನ್ನ ನೇಮಕಾತಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಮಾಡುದ ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಡ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನೇ ನೇಮಕಾತಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಅಂಶವನ್ನ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ನಿರ್ಧರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಬಿ, ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಕ್ರೂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ದ ಫರ್ಮ್ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ರಿಕ್ರೂಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಅಡಾಪ್ಟೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ರಿಕ್ರೂಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ಸ್. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು or third one is geographical area from which the candidate shall be searched, right? The location of the source that is to be considered. ಈ ಎರಡು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಆದಂತ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3, searching. Resources are sourced depending upon the requirements of job. It includes two types: source activation and selling. The source activation means the search for the candidate activities on the employee requisition. Until and unless the line manager verifies that vacancy exists, the search process cannot be initiated, and ultimately line managers has to verify the vacancy. Then only HR department can proceed with or can initiate that search process. Step number 4, screening. It means to shortlist the applicants of the candidates for the further selection process. Shortlist ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೂಲಂಕುಷವಾಗಿ ಪರಿಶೀಲನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ ಆ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಂಪನಿಯ ಜಾಬ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಸೂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಆಧಾರದ ನೆಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Right? Selection process begins only after the applications are scrutinized and shortlisted on the basis of job requirements. The purpose of recruitment is to remove those applicants at an early stage, which early stage, uh, or to remove unqualified for the job. So, very purpose of screening is that not required candidates are uh, removed in the beginning itself. In the beginning itself. Step number 5, evaluation and control. In this step, the validity and effectiveness of the process and the methods used are assessed. This stage is crucial because the firm has to check the output in terms of the cost involved. Therefore, cost is also one of the criteria. That's why we say cost saved is money saved is money earned. The process of recruitment is costly process as it involves the salaries of recruiters, time spent by management, cost of advertisement, cost of selection, cost of outsourcing if any vacancy is unfilled. So these evaluation on these matters is to be made by the HR department before no before completing the process of recruitment. So process of recruitment involves all these 5 steps. Normally there will be a question for section C relating to this area, that is explain the process of recruitment or explain the various steps involved in the recruitment process. So you can refer these points and you can write the exam without any much confusion. I think you are cleared with this topic. Thank you for with me.